I can bet you heard that word from David. I can bet you anybody had win. Wait, did you even leave basic school, like actual graduate?
I don't know where you fly from. I'm pitch back in Jamaica and feel like you can upset the balance of whatever is happening with Mr. Mullins, myself, and other persons around him. I don't know how you feel, Archery. But how do you feel stepping back or claiming to step back into Mr. Mullins' life after you take him friend? Cheap.
Cheap? I mean, look at my husband, David. He's not cheap. Smell something? Because I smell jealousy and it stinks. So, legally, we're still married with our son. And I'm thinking about having another child for him because, I'm very fertile. So regardless of what you think you know about myself and Martin, that's water under the bridge. One that you will never cross.
Let me tell you the bridge I intend to cross. The one that exposes you of all your shady dealings. And you trying to hide behind all of this makeup. Understand this. Hurt anyone that is near to me, you won't have enough foundation to hide the scars.
Now listen to me, little bitch. You don't know shit about me. And I don't know what you're trying to find out, but just pray that you really don't find out.
Now you listen to me. The father figure that you got, Mr. Mullins, you're going to leave him alone. I'm sure you've heard the name Savage. If your number in your phone, delete it. Don't f with him.
Angie?
Dad! I just came to look for Mom.
She's having a period.
What? What the hell is going on here? I get a phone call for you that I must come immediately. And then I come find you. And what is she doing here?
Listen, David, I am going to.
No, be careful of what you're going to say. Where's Bertie? What happened?
You have any painkillers?
Explain something. One, what is Bubbles doing here?
She just came here. She said that she wanted to wash her car, which wasn't dirty. She then came to the bar, and then after she came down here, like at the salon, like she's basically taunting me.
And what reason would she have to taunt you?
Because of you, David. She hates me, and obviously I hate her too. But there's just something that I just can't put my finger on. I don't know if she is in love with you and she's jealous of me and you. I don't know. But that bitch actually punched me. I think, listen.
When did he punch you?
I think I should press
Did
charges.
you attack her?
I didn't.
Why should I?
I don't know. I just feel like she's jealous of us.
Tell me something. Who is Zero?